Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ketsys again. This is the latest update I'm bringing to you. The die-hard campaign manager Appiah Stadium. If you go to the Ashanti region, so what they were doing for pound, they say the number one campaign manager NDC. Ibrahim Mahama have dashed him after campaigning for the MDC. After the NDC winning the election, Ibrahim Mahama have dashed him what? A blind new Toyota, Charlie, the V8 car, the Porsche, expensive car, just to appreciate Appiah Stadium for his support. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for us. Ever he will give you the latest update, the trending things, everything. You get it at Ketsys. So the popular NDC campaign manager called Appiah Stadium, who based at the Ashanti region. Ashanti region, if you're in Ashanti region and you are NDC military, hey, you have a lot of work to do because Ashanti region belongs to the MPP party. But this man stood up to campaign marvelously, going around on the social media everywhere, to help the NDC to get somewhat massive votes in the Ashanti region. So for appreciation, Ibrahim Mahama, the brother of the president-elect, President Mahama, So he does appear stadium or a car. The video is there. I'll put the video up right after my race so that you can watch it,
That's me. Mahama, president, current president. You did me who are found you. Mahama, we launch it from Ibrahim Mahama, straight visa. Yes. We get a graham fear, no size. The latest guy will be enemy. God bless you, Ibrahim Mahama. Oh, bra, I won't pursue him. But Kumasi support to NDC. A chance of the cocaine come with he true. Straight to the Savancha camera. They said me latest star, Ibrahim Mahama. Wait, your Tama Yansana, Yaba Poranka, the gun is Salatu. You jata. Have you find it? Eh, we have a party in our Jorosukra, in ye, we are MPP in our Jorosu, Masasha Santana Tadi, my breath. Tikumasina support to NDC. And said, what you cocaine come with you. President Mama last year, Brian, you have sure say. Ibrahim Mama also said, private jet. Or said about a private jet. Latest for bra.
Forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye.